Connect to template library. So in this video, I will show why we need to connect to template library and how to connect to template library. So let's start. From version 2.8, Elementor introduced a compulsory functionality connect to template library. So basically the first time you attempt to import a template, no matter it is free or pro, Elementor might request connection to template library. That means to import the template, even the free, the user must have an account on the Elementor website. So let's start how to do that. And before start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So first of all, from the WordPress dashboard, in the left menu, you have to go to templates and you have to add new. Select the template and you can put the name of the template. I'm going to give it test. Click on create template. So now if you want to import the free blog or the paid one or any pages, then you have to click on insert and now it says connect to the template library. Click on get started. It will redirect you to the Elementor website. So now on the Elementor website, you have to sign in or you can create your own account from there. Click on this button. But I already have an Elementor account. So I'm just going to put my credentials there, my email and my password there. Click on sign in. So now it is asking for the verification. The code will send on your email. So copy the verification code and put it there, verify it. And then you have to verify it also. Traffic lights, verify. Cool, I verified it. So now you can see you have signed in, welcome. So now it is redirected to the another page and it says to connect it. You have to click on connect. So now the page is automatically closed and now we have to go back to your website and I have to apply changes. And as you can see our page is inserted successfully, as you can see, but it is not giving us the images with the template. So guys, by this way you can connect your template library and from now you do not need to connect it again and again. It is just for one time and I am going to publish it. So guys, as you can see our page is inserted successfully and we have successfully connected the template library. And if you guys find our video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.